What's up guys, it's Stefan of Nation Trading. Today we are going to learn how to set up a generator. This is the non-silent type generator CCFD 6500E3. Before we start, you will need three things: motor oil, diesel, and a funnel. I recommend using the 15W40 diesel motor oil in Suriname weather. It doesn't matter which brand you use, all should be the same. We will now locate where the dipstick is. Twist the dipstick to the left to remove it from the generator. Use your funnel with an hose extension to pour the motor oil in the generator. Then pour the motor oil in the funnel. After pouring the motor oil in the machine, check with your orange dipstick. There is a limit of pouring motor oil in the machine. Make sure it lies somewhere close to the marker of the dipstick. Then twist it back to its place to close it. Locate the diesel lid and pour in some diesel. If you're done, you can now close the lid. Now we can connect the battery, the red cable to plus and the black cable to minus. Make sure the nuts are tied well. Put it on decompression mode. Put the gen on run mode. Twist the diesel valve down. Start the gen. Turn on the breaker and check the analog panel.